name's Rebecca. I've been a data scientist 10 years.
Oh, hi, I didn't hear you come in. You're interested in reading more about large language models. Here's my top 5 right now. First, it's got to be The Whale Book by Stephen Bird, Ewan Klein, and Edward Loper, creators of NLTK. You might think it's a little old school these days, but the concept of streaming corpus readers with methods that yield rather than returning has never been more relevant. It's also free online. Second, shout out to Dan Jarafsky and James Martin, authors of The Purple Book. It's a deep dive into the computational linguistics tradition with things like context-free grammars and lexical cohesion. This book is also free online, and the best part is that the authors have continued updating it as new algorithms have come out. Third is this Google Brain paper that came out in 2017 that people call the Transformers paper. It introduced the attention mechanism, which is the basis for models like ChatGPT. The central insight here is that it's possible to encode recency bias into our machine learning models to make them talk a bit more like us. This next one is a new one by Jyotika Singh, a former colleague of mine actually, and a brilliant data scientist. If you're stuck before you even start your NLP project, this book is just what you need. From key data storage tools for text to visualization techniques that make sense with language data to practical use cases, it's a map, trail guide, and companion. Finally, the Parrots paper. This is the paper by Timnit Gebru, Margaret Mitchell, together with Emily Bender and Angelina McMillan-Major, that was deemed so spicy that it got them fired from Google. If you're thinking about how bias in data sets can poison language models, or if you're wondering how training LLMs compares to Bitcoin mining, this is a must-read. Okay, fine, one runner-up. Applied Text Analysis with Python. This is my book with my co-authors Benjamin Bangfort and Tony Ojeda. It's about how to deploy language models. It's the one with the